I recently took my bike and went to watch the sunset by the sea. I was a bit late, manic and out of breath, trying to make it there by at least 20:45, which was the time I found when I googled when sunset. I ended up being a bit late, but even then, even being a bit late, it was still really magical. Just this giant cloud smacked in front of a vivid orange, like the foot of a table on a rug. I still got to see so much of it. Hey, my name is Forrestherd, and I'm making a game called Letters Past. I'm making it in Godot, and I'm currently adding a little dock area to it. It's coming together, but there is a very notable lack of something in this scene. A sunset, a smattering of clouds, a table and a rug. So I went ahead and added one. I think it looks pretty neat. Here's how it works. The bread and butter is this texture I painted. I made it an A sprite by taking two gradients and additively blending them together, and then using the color picker and brush to carve out shapes. I then wrote a shader that takes this texture and maps the colors along a gradient, so that an island gets more brightly lit if it's closer to the sun. I then added a horizon line for the sun to set behind, some clouds gently blowing at 3 pixels per second, a tint of red as the day comes to an end. And it looked good. Suddenly my make-believe world had a moment that reflected something from my own experience. The two worlds were connected, and I was their window